So I have been seeing a lot of Genshin art and content, and look at all these pretty character designs. I really love how the character look and their dresses are just so good. I was thinking I can also make my own Genshin character, and that's what we're gonna do today. Let's make my own Genshin character. First of all, I need to choose an element, and I'll go with Dendro because if I was in Genshin, I would have wanted to be a Dendro user. And then I need a pretty outfit and hairstyle, and what's better place than Pinterest for it? So I went in Pinterest and found these two designs. Now that we have all the things, it's time to draw our character. So first of all, of course, we are gonna start with a sketch, and first of all we're gonna decide a pose. The character I have in mind is gonna be very playful and mischievous and a little bit of tomboy. So I gave her a very childish pose because I usually do that pose. So yeah, I gave her that pose, and I think this pose fit her character. After this, it's time to sketch the outfit. I'm really very bad in drawing detailed outfit, but I really wanted to give it my best and just make it look good. I'm bad in drawing outfits, but I wanted to try my best in this one because the outfit really plays a big role in Genshin characters, as you know. Yeah, and after this it's time to outline everything up, and here's the final sketch, the line art. And now it's time to fill in the colors. Okay, I know I choose the colors which I think usually are used in electric powers, like some who have electricity as a power, but I wanted to go for this color scheme because I really love these colors, and maybe trying something new won't hurt. Like, I'm not playing with the rules here, or I'm not really totally following the rules. It's my character and I can just draw however I want. And I think this color also suits good for a dendro. It should be green, but this color I think also goes well with it, and it's just fine. Okay, her powers might be green, or they also the powers also have colors. I can put it green with a hint of pink and purple in that. I think it will just look good. Or yeah, I just wanted to go with this color scheme, that's why. It's my character after all. Let's leave some space for little creativity and changing rules here and there. So yeah, right now I'm just shading the clothes, and I tried to do my best with the folds here. I don't think it really came out that realistic, but I think it's fine. It's looking fine, I guess, for the first time, because it's the first time I'm drawing something so detailed in clothes. And now it's time for the skin shading. I am just really following the rules I have already discussed before, how I shade my clothes and skins. And here's the shading done of the skin too, just changing the colors now, and we'll use that orangey tone. And yeah, the shading in the face is almost done. The main thing when you shade is the light source. If you know where the light source exactly is, you can shade things really nicely and it will look good. So it's really important to know your light source so that you can shade professionally. And now it's time for more hairs. After filling in some colors in the face, it's time for the hairs. And I'm just doing my thing as I always do, just shading the light and then the shadows, then the light, and stuff like that. And now it's time for the eyes. I'll be soon done with the eyes. I have to learn some more ways to draw eyes, to be honest, because I really easily get bored of how I draw eyes and hairs. So yeah, because I just wanna improve as much as I can. That's why it's important to keep learning. And yep, here I'm done with almost everything, adding some more hair strands and then some background. Then look at this, guys, this color and the greens and everything really goes so well with her, and I think it just really look good. So here's the final result. I haven't decided her name yet. You can tell me in the comments. And I also made some different drawing of her where she's just sitting in the tree to show how mischievous and energetic she is. And this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something, or maybe go and make your own Genshin character with some of your set of rules. I hope you enjoy this challenge, and I am looking forward to do more of this thing in future. You can tell me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.